Hello friends, in this episode I'll show you an amazing product from FitDVR that will help you get rid of those ugly and annoying cables from your dashcams and even from your radar detectors. This adapter draws power directly from the rain sensor and can supply any dashcam or radar detector. Just look how clean the dashcam wiring looks now. The adapter is very small and almost invisible, and the radar detector cable will no longer get in your way when shifting gears. Let me show you how simple and quick it is to install this adapter. I bought a dedicated adapter for the Mercedes W204, but FitDVR has models for many different cars. I'll leave a link in the description to their website in case you like it too and want to buy one. Inside the FitDVR box you'll find the adapter itself, which has two types of outputs, a 12V 2A output for the radar detector and a 5V 3A output for the dashcam. You'll also get the cable that connects to the rain sensor, which looks almost identical to the one used by Fitcam X integrated dashcams. I also have links to those in the description because they're absolutely awesome. Additionally, you'll find a bunch of very short cables that let you connect almost any dashcam or radar detector. First, I unclip this small plastic piece behind the mirror housing to have more space. You don't need to do this on all cars. And then I pry out the rear view mirror housing. As you saw, it came out instantly. Next, I unplug this white connector from the rain sensor. It just has a simple locking tab that you need to press before pulling the connector out. Then I take the twin connector from the wiring harness in the box, replace the original one and plug the original connector into the female port of the harness. Now all that's left is to power the adapter from this cable. I connected the two cables and the adapter is already working. Next, I reattach the mirror housing and clip the small piece from the headliner back in place. Then I just remove the protective film from the 3M tape and stick the adapter, and that's it. The whole process took about 10 minutes including filming. Look how discreet it is, you can barely see it because it's hidden behind the rear view mirror. Now I can connect any dashcam using one of the included adapter cables, since the original dashcam power cable is usually extremely long to reach the cigarette lighter or fuse box. This completely eliminates that issue. Of course, parking mode won't work since the rain sensor is only powered when the ignition is on. That's fine by me. Parking mode often shortens the car battery's lifespan, so I actually prefer this setup for when I'm driving. And maybe a dashcam cable doesn't look so bad, but installing the radar detector was always a hassle since I constantly had to untangle its long power cable. It looked messy, was aesthetically unpleasant, and occupied the cigarette lighter socket. Here's how the radar detector normally looks when powered from the cigarette lighter. I even had to buy a bulky, ugly adapter that didn't look good at all inside the car. And here's how it looks now, powered directly from the rain sensor adapter. From below it might not seem perfect yet, but just look how clean it looks from the driver's or passenger's point of view. Goodbye messy cables. If you find this product useful and plan to get one, I've added all the details you need for purchasing it in the description. If you need more info, just leave a comment, and most importantly, don't forget to hit those magical buttons, subscribe, like, or even hype. It costs you nothing, but it really motivates me to keep making more interesting tutorials like this one. All the best, bye bye.